Nano babo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Ako yung Luis Soning wearing Pampanga. Ngayon nga daw ngayon at so kami po kaning SM Telabastagan and we are featuring SumoSam. Siguro metong kayo karetang skeptical or metong kayo karetang pangutang. Nano kaya nga atin kay SumoSam? Nalalang sa serve da? Mura ba? Sulit naman ba? So ngayon po nga daw ngayon purin pong packet kaya kayo nung nanula po retang pamanga nasa serve da kit. But before that, lugong tamo po kayong karelang kitchen. We got an exclusive access kayong karelang kitchen and lawentala po makanadaluluto rin pamangan. So guys, wanna show you something. Check out the size of that one. So another exclusive access. What's inside the kitchen? Turn that on. Tingnan po rin packet kaya kayo guys. Lo nyo rin nga sa. So these are real salmon. So tama po ba? Look at the size of this salmon guys. Wow. Ano they go now? So they delivered this fresh. And then yan, kasama natin si Chef. Whoa. Na. So this is where the magic happens. At yung po kayo ng Kilub Kitchen ng SumoSam Telabastagan. And they're busy preparing for our food right now. So, ano yun, Chef? Ano piniprepare natin dyan? Ito, so ngayon naman what they're preparing is Japanese fried rice. So it starts with shrimp, kaibat chicken, kaibat beef, and then the vegetables. Wow. So that. Wait, so here's our table. While yung cameraman tamo mag-take yung photos kayo, let me tell the story. If you're metong karetang tao na ikit ding restaurant pero medyo hesitant lang, I think that's normal for a Japanese restaurant. Minsan kasi ating tamong connotation na bala mo intimidating la rin like food, alita lain din dyan, above moderate la rin price, mga yan. SumoSam actually, based on our orientation, somewhat fusion nening Japanese and Western. So, Isumo is of course from Japanese and Sam is of course from Western or US. Yung pamuan kayo ni actually is coming all from Japan. Yung sinabi dapin kaya kami, yung danum mo ano yung ema ni bat King Japan. Kumbala mo, ingdano mo yung manibat kay ni Pilipinas. The rest comes from Japan. And then, itang western part na nito actually. So, King Japan kasi medyo, kumbaga, tititla rin sizes. But when you go here, look at the size of these guys. Sobrang pangarakal. So, ito, when you order here, feeling ko para ka na ako, it's always shareable. Large portion, large cut, large serving. Ito yung medyo western part na nita niya. SumoSam niya pala lagu. So, tala pa rin nga naman dishes. Thank you for watching our video. We'd also like to thank again SumoSam Telabastagan for inviting us. Really great food, guys. We just shown you na alima ka intimidate mga kani. So go with your family, go with your girlfriend, with your friends, with your barkada, mga yan. And then ganda pa dito. I mean, you can enjoy eating na walang pressure ng time or waiting in line, mga ganyan. So, guys, make sure to visit SumoSam here at SM City Telabastagan. No? So, nasa ground floor lang po sila. And then, yeah, enjoy Japanese food with a Western serving. Yeah. I think that's it. Alright, so guys, thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.